Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will study about variables. Variables are used to store some value. You can see we have created one page. In this page, you can see there are two text boxes. First is for accepting first number, second is for accepting second number. In this application, we will do addition, subtraction, division and multiplication operations. So when we enter the two numbers and click on the plus button, it will show the output of the addition in the result text box. So let's do this using variables. For that, first click on the plus button and generate click event of plus button. It will generate code or event for the plus button. Now in the class, not in the button event, in the class declare two variables, integer number 1 and integer number 2, and then declare one float variable called result. Now we will utilize these variables. There are different types of data types. As per our need, we have to define our variables for particular data types. Now we will store output of the first text box into number 1. So write number 1 is equal to txt number 1 dot text and semicolon. The text box number 1 dot text will return a string value, and we are storing this value into integer type variable. This is not valid, so we have to convert this string value into the integer value. So one function called convert dot to integer 32 or 16, anyone can you use, is used, and pass string as a parameter which is to be converted. Same as write number 2, same as for variable number 2, we have just copied and changed the values of text boxes and variables. Add buttons click event. I want to add the two number, so I will do the sum of two numbers and I will store it in some variable. Here it is a result. So number 1 plus number 2. Now same operation we will perform for other, for example for subtraction, for multiplication, for division and all of 4. For subtraction we will utilize same code. We will just change sign of operations. But at a time of division, we have to care about type conversion. When we are dividing one integer number by other integer number, then it will result integer. But we want to store float value. So convert it to the float using casting. So we have completed our program. Give the inputs. First we will perform addition. We can see the output. Multiplication, addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. So this is the use of variables. Thank you.